Okay, this is a really quick demo just to emphasize the fact that I tend to work in preview mode. So if I go to File and Open and I go to Chapter 4, Number 8, Frame Highlighting, this is the way I tend to work. I like to look at my documents as I would get them if I were to print. Okay, and I just got these four figures right here. I know there's a lot of stuff on this page. I get it. But if I hit W, that's going to look really confusing. There's just boxes everywhere. And those boxes are not set to print. When I click, they don't have a stroke around them. So I'm not really meant to look at those boxes anyway. So when I hit W, if I need to work on something, it highlights the frame for me. Okay, so I can be assured I'm on the green layer or the red layer for type. Green layer for photos, red layer for type. These are grouped together, but red for type, green for photos, green for photos, red for type. That's all you really need to keep in mind. If I go to my layers, you can see it right there. Green for photos, red for type. And unfortunately, I put a few of those photos on the wrong layer. But I've shown you in layers before. If I clicked, that's on the green layer, it's pictures. This is on the red layer, so I can pull it down. Now it's on the correct layer. Click, pull it down. Now it's on the correct layer. So these guys are also on the wrong layer. I can click on them, turn on the eyeball, pull it back down. So all my pictures should disappear because they're on the correct layer. All my text should disappear. Okay, but that's what I use is frame highlighting. When I need to work on something, it's going to find the frame for me. I can see I got plenty of room left for text. I don't have a lot of room left for this photo. So the problem is if I wanted to make this little side bigger, I can't just click on the center, hold shift and pull this out because then it's going to cut it off in the frame. So I'll hit Command Z. If I know I'm going to blow up a photo, I want to see the outer dimensions of that box first. So if I know the box is right around the edges of my photo and I intend to blow it up, maybe I want to make the box a little bigger first with frame highlighting. Now I can click, hold shift, and drag it out a little more. See, when I hover over that, I can see where the edge of my photo goes with the purple. Here's how much boundary I have to work inside of. So that's frame highlighting. It just allows me to work a little cleaner on the screen. Okay, keep that in mind. But that's a personal choice, and I leave it up to you.